Okay, here's a little Imperial Party Time tube record player from 1971, I think. Has bad filter capacitors. This is the only capacitor in here besides this blue drop capacitor. So this is what we're gonna replace. Now the seller did a horrible packing job. All they did, and I'll even show you, all they did was shove the darn thing in a box and filled it with packing or styrofoam. I promise you that's all they did. They just threw the darn thing in the box and just taped it up. And I promptly got on my computer and gave them negative feedback, so yeah. So let's go ahead and be right back with the changed caps.
Or no one, least of all, you, Spider-Man. Ah, he's off the platform.
There we go, it's working.
That's it. Die, Spider-Man! Missed again, chum. Now's my chance to get some of Spidey's patented heavy-duty, icky, sticky web fluid.